Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Allah the Almighty. After that, His Prophet Muhammad, may Allah peace be upon him. After that, I would like to thank to Global Spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Fahimuddin. I live in Khurya Bazar, district Basti. I have passed Jama'at Thaniya. My madrasa name is Darul Ulum Alimiya Jamdar Shahi, district Basti. I am learning English speaking in the month of Ramadan 2024 from Global Spoken English. Present indefinite tense, singular. He goes, he does not go, does he go, does he not go, why does he go, why does he not go, plural. They go, they do not go, do they go, do they not go, why do they go, why do they not go. Past indefinite tense. He went, he did not go, did he go, did he not go, why did he go, why did he not go. Future indefinite tense. He will go, he will not go, will he go, will he not go, why will he go, why will he not go. Present continuous tense. He is going, he is not going, is he going, is he not going, why is he going, why is he not going. Past continuous tense. He was going, he was not going, was he going, was he not going, why was he going, why was he not going. Future continuous tense. He will be going, he will not be going, will he be going, will he not be going, why will he be going, why will he not be going. Present perfect tense. He has gone, he has not gone, has he gone, has he not gone, why has he gone, why has he not gone. Past perfect tense. He had gone, he had not gone, had he gone, had he not gone, why had he gone, why had he not gone. Future perfect tense. He will have gone, he will not have gone, he will have gone, he will not have gone. Will he have gone, will he not have gone, why will he have gone, why will he not have gone. Present perfect continuous tense. He has been going since morning, he has not been going since morning. Has he been going since morning, has he not been going since morning, why has he been going since morning, why has he not been going since morning. Past perfect continuous tense. He had been going since morning, he had not been going since morning, had he been going since morning, had he not been going since morning, why had he been going since morning, why had he not been going since morning. Future perfect continuous tense. He will have been going since morning, he will not have been going since morning, will he have been going since morning, will he not have been going since morning. Why will he have gone since morning? Why will he not have been going since morning? Use of can, active voice. He can write a letter, he cannot write a letter, can he write a letter, can he not write a letter, why can he write a letter, why can he not write a letter. Use of could. He could write a letter, he could not write a letter, could he write a letter, could he not write a letter, why could he write a letter, why could he not write a letter. Use of should. He should write a letter, he should not write a letter, he should not write a letter, should he write a letter, should he not write a letter, why should he write a letter, why should he not write a letter. Use of should have. He should have written a letter, he should not have written a letter, should he have written a letter, should he not have written a letter, why should he have written a letter, why should he not have written a letter. Use of passive voice. Present indefinite tense. A letter is written by him, a letter is not written by him, is a letter written by him, is a letter not written by him, why is a letter written by him, why is a letter not written by him. Present indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. A letter was written by him, a letter was not written by him. Was a letter written by him, was a letter not written by him, why was a letter written by him, why was a letter not written by him. Future indefinite tense, passive voice. A letter will be written by him, a letter will not be written by him. Will a letter written by him, will a letter not be written by him? Why will a letter be written by him? Why will a letter not be written by him? Present continuous tense, passive voice. A letter is being written by him, a letter is being written by him, a letter is not being written by him. Is a letter being written by him? Is a letter not being written by him? Why is a letter being written by him? Why is a letter not being written by him? Past continuous tense, passive voice. A letter was written by him, a letter was written by him, a letter was not written by him. Was a letter written by him? Was a letter not being written by him? Why was a letter being written by him? Why was a letter not being written by him? Present perfect tense, passive voice. A letter has been written by him, a letter has not been written by him. Has a letter been written by him? Has a letter not been written by him? Why has a letter been written by him? Why has a letter not been written by him? Past perfect tense. A letter had been written by him, a letter had not been written by him. Had a letter been written by him? Had a letter not been written by him? Why had a letter been written by him? Why had a letter not been written by him? Future perfect tense. A letter will have been written by him, a letter will not have been written by him. Will a letter have been written by him? Will a letter not have been written by him? Why will a letter have been written by him? Why will a letter not have been written by him? Use of can, passive voice. A letter can be written by him, a letter cannot be written by him. Can a letter be written by him? Can a letter not be written by him? Why can a letter be written by him? Why can a letter not be written by him? Use of could, passive voice. A letter could be written by him, a letter could not be written by him. Could a letter be written by him? Could a letter not be written by him? Why could a letter be written by him? Why could a letter not be written by him? Use of should, passive voice. A letter should be written by him, a letter should not be written by him. Should a letter be written by him? Should a letter not be written by him? Why should a letter be written by him? Why should a letter not be written by him? Use of should have, passive voice. A letter should have been written by him, a letter should not have been written by him. Should a letter have been written by him? Should a letter not have been written by him? Why should a letter have been written by him? Why should a letter not have been written by him? Thank you so much and have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.